Hello, I'm Bob Render from GE Appliances. As always, before starting any repair, you'll want to make sure that you're wearing your personal protective equipment. You want to wear your Kevlar gloves. You want to wear your safety glasses with side shield protection. Now we're ready to go to work. I'm going to show you how we're going to remediate the scratch that's on the bullnose of this range. You'll see that the grain is running in this direction and we have some scratches in this direction. We first want to clear the area, and we'll remove the grates. Now, if the affected area were near another piece of on the range where the grain is running in the opposite direction, we would want to make sure that we protect that area. So what we'd want to do is we'd want to take a piece of tape and just cover that area if we were working in this area of the range. Now what I'm going to do to remove this scratch is I'm first going to use the red coarse pad. I'm going to add a little Ultra Shine. What you want to do is you want to distribute the material makeup of the Ultra Shine just by rocking the container back and forth a few times. You want to pierce the tip of the container. You don't want to cut it off with wire cut or with diagonals, or you don't want to cut it off with a knife. You just want to pierce the tip of the container. We'll apply a little bit of the Ultra Shine to the pad. Distribute the Ultra Shine with your finger, and then we're going to remove this scratch. And we'll follow that with the polish cloth, the microfiber polishing cloth. And notice the scratch is gone. What we want to do now is we want to follow this up using the gray fine pad. The coarse pad took the scratch out. And what we want to do now is we want to apply a little more Ultra Shine to the fine gray pad. It doesn't take much Ultra Shine, all it takes is just a little bit. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to blend this area in with the rest of the surface. Now you want to slowly relieve pressure on the tool as you're finishing to feather the surface in. And now what we'll do is we'll take our microfiber polishing cloth, and notice that the surface that I just remediated matches the surface that has not been touched. During the course of a repair, we've all inadvertently caused damage by making scratches on stainless steel products that we're servicing. I'm going to show you how we can remediate a small scratch that we might produce on this range hood during the course of a repair using the mini tools. I'm first going to tape off the monogram logo just to make sure that we don't accidentally cause any damage to the logo itself. I'm going to use the small coarse mini tool. We're going to apply a small amount of Ultra Shine to the tool. Work the Ultra Shine in, and I'm going to take the tool and just work this area. Let's see how it looks. We'll take the microfiber cloth and see how we are with the scratch. Still just a little bit of it there, so we'll work the tool just a little more. And now we're going to feather that out with the mini tool with the gray fiber. I'm going to apply a little bit of Ultra Shine to the gray woven pad. And we want to blend this area in with the rest of the hood. We want to just back the pressure off of the tool slightly as we feather it out and polish the surface with the microfiber cloth. The scratch is gone, but now what we want to do is we want to take the large gray woven pad. We want to apply a little bit of Ultra Shine, and remember, a little goes a long way. And now what we want to do is we want to work a little larger area to blend that spot in with the rest of the hood. Now we've just saved ourselves the expense of replacing this hood. Probably one of the most common appliances that we run into that has a complaint of scratches are the stainless steel refrigerators. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove a scratch. I put a couple of scratches right on this area with my screwdriver. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remediate those scratches with the mini tools. I'm going to apply a little bit of Ultra Shine to the tool. Work the Ultra Shine in. And I'm just going to work that tool I'm just going to work those scratches right out. The mini tool is very, very handy for such a small surface such as this. Now I want to use the fine gray woven pad. Add a little Ultra Shine. And we'll just blend this in with the rest of the surface. And we'll just back off the pad and just feather it out. Polish with the microfiber cloth. And there you go. In closing, we hope that this video has been helpful. I'm sure that once you use this WX05X 10075 scratch repair kit, that you'll agree it's easier and more convenient than replacing expensive parts. All comments and ideas are welcomed. Please use the Imagination at Work icon on your laptop to address your comments. Thanks, and remember to always use your personal protective equipment.